In this problem, it is given that there are the n distinct objects. You can see that this is the n distinct objects can be put into the two different boxes. This is the box P and Q, and according to condition, the box, no one box should be empty. It is compulsory to keep all the articles in two different boxes, not you will keep all the articles in only one boxes. So how many possibilities, yeah, how many choices we can keep all these n number of the articles in these two boxes? So it is very difficult to give the answer this time. So same question we will reduce in only for the 4 articles. So first of all, we will understand how many these 4 articles can be put in these two boxes and how many possibilities. Then we can easily understand what will be the answer of n number of the article. So suppose these are the two boxes. You can see that this is the same two boxes, but these two boxes is related with only 4 articles. This is, my dear student, only for example to understand this question in proper way, and real question is this one. So suppose if I choose for article A, so we have two choices. You can see that means we have a number of 2 choices for article A. Suppose for article A2 we can keep either P and Q, so again we have 2 choices. Similarly for the third article, again we have 2 choices. You can see that, and fourth also again we have 2 choices. So 2 into 2 into 2, that means there are the 16 choices. Suppose all the articles I keep 1 2 3 4 in this box, so it is not match to our question because no one of box should be empty. That means at least मुझे एक यहाँ पे रखना ही पड़ेगा. So उस condition में suppose we have a 4 articles, so how many possibilities are there to keep 4 articles in 2 different boxes? So my dear students, suppose I keep 1 2 3 article here or only 1 article here, so that means टोटल नंबर ऑफ चॉइसेस यू कैन सी दैट, तो दैट इज 16, और 16 में से आप 1 केस चॉइस माइनस कर दीजिए. सो आप देखेंगे देर आर द 15 चॉइसेस. बट इफ़ यू रिवर्स दिस क्वेश्चन, रिवर्स इन द सेंस सपोज पी के अंदर हम ओनली 1 आर्टिकल रखते और बाकी के 2 3 4 इसमें रखते, सो अगेन 16 मैक्सिमम चॉइसेस में से हमें फिर एक आंसर और मिलता. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू subtract 2 not 1 in both the cases. So in the 4 articles there are 16 minus 2, there are the 14 choices. That means if 4 article can be put in 2 boxes, no one box remain empty, there are the 14 possibilities. So you can easily understand you have a n number of the article, so you have n number of choices, you have n number of choices, you have n number of choices. That means you will multiply by n times. So you can keep all these objects, so 2 to the power n time, but you have to reduce by 2 क्योंकि आपको एक ना एक आर्टिकल इसमें रखना ही होगा. सो फाइनल आंसर विल बी 2 to the power n minus 2. So you can keep all the articles in both the boxes, but 2 possibilities will be less when you will solve 2 to the power n value, and you will subtract minus 2 to their number of the possibilities to keep all the articles.